Today I will show you how to connect Ostinger domain to Odoo. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your Ostinger account and also log into your Odoo account. Now after you're done logging into your Odoo account, you're going to come to this icon here and you're going to click on My Databases. Under the databases, you're going to find the database that you want to connect, and you're going to click on this arrow and you go to domain names, and now you click on use my own domain. Now we're going to go to Ostinger. We're going to find the domain that we want to use. We're going to copy that domain and we're going to come to Odoo. Here we're going to type www dot and then we're going to put the domain name. Now you realize that once you click on verify, it's going to tell you there's no CNAME record for this website. So what you need to do is you need to perform the following operations. You create a CNAME record pointing to this database. So we're going to come to Ostinger. We're going to go to the domain. We're going to click on manage. We're going to click on DNS or name servers. Now here we're going to add a record that's going to point to this database. So we're going to come to Ostinger. We're going to create a CNAME record because it says we should create a CNAME record. We create a CNAME record. The name, we're going to make it www. The target is going to be our database, and then we're going to add a record. Now once you're done adding the record, you're going to see the CNAME record here. You're going to go to Odoo and we're going to verify again. And now it says DNS configuration seems good. Now you're going to confirm that it's done. And just like that, you've been able to connect your Ostinger domain to Odoo. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.